A cain chain snog ag cluichid ar ball cosha Carly Girazoli, bo how Mike Calla di Glasgow City, for a vinnicky chichtel in the league, agus cúpanin my first skipper of a lawn eolus.
Yeah, I loved my time there. Obviously, being very young, I moved when I was about 14 or 15 to the under-17s, and then quite quickly moved up to training with the first team and getting game time there. So yeah, definitely loved it, yeah. Being so young and obviously coming up training at first, they were very good. Obviously talking me through things, and then when I started playing and obviously training beside them, they helped me quite a lot, and yeah, and I'm thankful for that. Glasgow City have won 13 titles in a row now, and I'm happy to be obviously a part of a few of them, and obviously some cups as well, as you've mentioned. So yeah, definitely winning trophies is something I love to do. I think anyone would. So yeah, I'm very proud of what I've achieved so far.
Sé neolus a hoodie sa Champions League, union a rutan of horthy Carly pavor sa driach. Agus ein doch is capain corum sin a dhiist, sa namdi cheach.
Yeah, to be fair, that's something else, especially playing against some of the best players in the world at the time. Obviously, Barcelona, I think the away leg of that tie was definitely my favourite. And their stadium, it was quite a tough evening, but I definitely enjoyed every part of it. I think that's a name for the future, obviously. Play again in the Champions League and obviously try and get as far as I can.
Glúis an cluichid ar Gian go Rangers agus anna hin húdi cúnat professionta, agus corum a bhí cluich agus a trénach lánúne sonna chi dúad.
Yeah, so they turned professional that year. So yeah, I was very happy to join them, obviously sign my first professional contract. Their training schedule's a lot different. We obviously trained about 3 times a day sometimes. So yeah, it was definitely tough, but something I enjoyed. I've made great friends for life now. Training was hard, as I mentioned. It's been up since what I was used to. But yeah, every part of it, I loved it, yeah.
In this na London City Lionesses, a balcos a hias ag Jace, a corta di Carly, para vili haas the genu earthas, and a league arpashach.
Well, to be fair, I'd obviously put out there that I'd left Rangers, and I was in talks with a few clubs, and I think Edward got in touch with my agent, and things just kind of started from there. So yeah, just kind of through them, and I'm just so happy to be here. Playing in a new league and in a new country, it was something I definitely wanted to do. I think that was definitely a name of mine, was to move to England at some point. So this was good for it to come about at such a young age. Obviously, I'm still quite young, so I'm still like learning and doing things. But yeah, I've loved my time here. I would say it's pretty much the same. The only thing I would say is this league's a lot more competitive. No game's an easy game kind of thing. So no matter if you're sitting top or bottom, no matter who you play, it's obviously going to be very challenging.
A Carly Tollicha a bhí a dhaise the parke as Joey a pandemic. Leis a hada isn't skip a chutecha, gus ein suas, chunna league.
So for me personally, obviously having to go out running myself for about 6 months, it was very tough. I think everyone's in the same boat as that. But for the clubs, obviously no fans, having to change training for limited contact, it's definitely tough, but I'm kind of glad we're at the other end of it now and fans are back in. So yeah, I think they still remain the same, promotion, but I think we just need to take every game as it comes now, try and get maximum points. But I think a big focus is clean sheets from now until the end of the season, because that's something we can control. But yeah, I think we're just trying to win every game as they come now. Yeah, it's been challenging. We've had good results, probably games that we should have won, probably had a few more clean sheets. But yeah, I just think that this bunch of girls are just like so resilient. We've just bounced back. We train hard every day. And yeah, we just try and win as many games as we can.
A Carly and Doc is barach chichtel in the Galeach sa driach. Ac a thriaf ama sé corum cluiche ein, Carly this and skip a nashanta.
I think it's all kind of happened in a quite short space of time. Obviously, by the time I moved up to first team to now, I've done quite a lot in my short career. So I definitely just want to keep that going and probably win as many leagues as I can, because that's definitely something I want to do. And definitely a big aim of mine is to play for my country at A squad level. So that's definitely something I'm aspiring to do in the future, basically. Yeah, it would mean everything. Obviously, I think everyone's aim is to play for their country. So yeah, that's something I definitely want to do in the future.